Let's look at the solutions of geometry bites. In acute angle triangle ABC, side BC is extended to a point D. The bisectors of ABC and ACD meet at point P. Which of the following statements must be true? Okay. Let me make a triangle. A, B, C. Now bisectors of ABC. So here, this line and ACD. So here, meet at point P. We are looking at angle BPC. We need this angle. Okay. Can I say if this angle is X, if this angle is X, this angle will also be X. Okay. And if this angle is Y, this angle will also be Y. Now angle ACD should be equal to angle ABC and BAC. So this angle here should be equal to 2y minus 2x. 2y minus 2x. Okay. Now angle PCD should be equal to PBC and BPC. So this angle here should be equal to y minus x. So now, can you see if it is an acute angle triangle, angle BAC 2y minus 2x will be less than 90 because it is an acute angle triangle, or y minus x will be less than equal to 45, which is angle BPC, the one that is present in all the options. So the correct answer to the question will be option B. Next, the sides of a triangle are in arithmetic progression. If the sides of the triangle are integers and its area is 24 square meters, then the perimeter in meters of the triangle is. Now you can solve it using arithmetic progression idea, or there is an insight. The only right angle triangle whose sides are in arithmetic progression, the base Pythagorean triplet where sides are in arithmetic progression is 3, 4, 5. Here, what is the area that we get? Area we get is 6. But how much area do I need? I need 24. So all I need to do is, if I need area to multiply by 4, I need dimensions to multiply by 2. So I will have 6 and 8 and 10. Can you see the area will be 24? Sides are in arithmetic progression. So perimeter of the triangle will happily be 24. Yo. We can solve it this way also. Let's say the three sides were A plus D, and A minus D. So area of the triangle should now be equal to 24 is equal to under root 3A by 2 into 2A, sorry, A by 2 minus D into A by 2 into A by 2 plus D. And then you work your way forward from here, but it will be far more disturbing and distracting to arrive at the answer using this. This insight about AP and triangle, if you have, your life will be easier. Next, in the figure given below, ABCD is a rectangle. It is also given that D is to EC is 5 is to 4. Okay. And CF is to FD is 8 is to 1. CF is to FD is 8 is to 1. Now see, we have been told DE into EC is 5 is to 4 and CF is to FD is 8 is to 1. Both of them add up to 9 units only. So can I go ahead and break it down as this is X, this is 4X, and this has 4x. Yes, our life should be simple. This is good enough. Okay. If the area of the quadrilateral APFD is 49 square units, this is 49 APFD. Then find the area of the quadrilateral BPEC in square units. We need area of BPEC. Okay. Stuff that I see right now. Stuff that I see right now. Area of ADE by area of BFC should be 5 by 8, ratio wise 5 by 8, because see the height is the same, just that in ADE the base is 5, in BFC the base is 8. So this I see. Okay, another thing I can see is if AB is 9, can you see this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle? This is, these two angles are same, these two angles are same. Can I say triangle APB is similar to how much? Triangle PFE? And I already know the ratio of their sides. If this is 9, this is 4. So the ratio of their area will be 81 is to 16. So let's say area of this point here was 16xy and area of this was 81xy. Why I'm going xy is now I can get a measure of the height. So the base is 9x and this is 81xy. So height here should be 18y and height here 4x, so 8y. So total height I've got is 32y. Okay. So now can I say BFC is equal to, oh, I need BPEC, no, finally. BFC should be equal to 32y 8x 32y into 8x into half or 128xy. Should be 128xy. Okay. Now 128xy minus, so BPEC should be equal to, if this is 16xy, so this should be 112xy. Okay. Now look at this. ADE should be equal to 5x 32y, so 80xy, or now APFD, not APDF, APFD should be equal to 80xy minus 16xy, so 64xy. Okay. So 64xy is equal, APDF 64xy is equal to 49. So can I go xy is equal to 49 by 64? So BPEC, if I'm looking for the area here, it should be 112. Have I done something terribly mistaken? 80 आ रहा है, 128 आ रहा है, बढ़िया. I've got 8y here, not a problem. Okay, I am an idiot. I will show you what idiocy I have done. 18 plus 8 is not 32 people, it is 26. I have been living a lie. So it should be 26y, 26. So I've got 104xy 26 into 4, no? 104xy, cool. So 104 minus 16 will give me 88xy. Okay. BPEC is 88xy. Basically BFC minus 16xy. Now ADE will be 5x and 13y. So 65xy minus 6. So 49xy. If I remove 16xy from this, I get 49xy is 49. So xy is 49 by 49, which is equal to 1. So finally, I get my BPEC is equal to 88. Answer to the question should be 88. I was initially flustered because given this is a theta question, the answer should necessarily be integral. The fact that my answer was coming out in fractions was unacceptable. I found an error. Okay, moving on. The curved surface area of a right circular cone is 160% more than the area of its base. So let's say area of its base was 5x. The curved surface area should be 13x. 160% more means 5x plus 8x. If the total surface area of the cone is 13860, what is the height in centimeter of the cone? Okay. So base area is pi r square. Pi r square is equal to 5x. And pi r L. This is pi r L. So pi r under root how much? H square plus r square is equal to 13x. Oh, why do I even care for this? I'm an idiot. I already have 5x plus 13x as this value. So 13 by 18 into 13, or okay, I can get value of r also directly. 13 by 18 into 13860. Cancel, 7, 126, 7, 13 into 770. I don't care for precise value. 13 into 770. And here, pi r square will be equal to how much? 5 into 770. Okay. If I write it down properly, 22 by 7. So 22 gone from here. How much will I get? 35 into 7. So I get R is equal to 35. So now 22 by 7 into 35 into under root h square plus 35 square is equal to 13 into 770. This much I have got. Okay, how much can I cancel off? This goes with this 5 times. This goes with this 35 times. This goes with this 7 times. So I've got 13 into 7. Okay, so h square plus 35 square is equal to 91 square. Okay, I see a beautiful Pythagorean triplet. This is 5, this is 13. So this should be 12, given everything is multiplied by 7. So height should be 84. 12 into 7, height should be 84. Last question. The length, breadth, and height of a cuboid are given by linear functions Lx, Bx, Hx respectively, where x is a real number. The volume of this cuboid is given by the cubic formation. Vx is equal to minus x cube minus 4x square plus 31x plus 70. Which of the following is a permissible value of x? Now see, we can solve it using algebra, wherein we find out the factors of 70 and then we work our way forward with it. Or given that we have options available, Given this is a solid, it will have some volume, it will have some positive volume. Let's just plug in values wherever I get a positive result. That should be my answer. So for 7, I will get minus 343 minus 196 plus 217 plus 70. Hopefully you can see net result will be negative. So this cannot be the answer. Let us look at minus 3. So I've got 27 minus 36 minus 93 and plus 70. Again, this will get me a net negative result. So this is not valid, should not be the answer. Let me look at 6. So minus 216 minus 144 plus 186 plus 70. Again, this will be negative, not possible. By default, the correct answer has to be D. And if you were lucky enough and smart enough that you started with option D, you would have gotten minus 64 plus 124 plus 70. Yes, net result here will be positive. The answer has to be option D, 4. That will be all for this episode. Hopefully you learned something. Okay, bye.